Let's cook some Bhindi Gosht. Since the oil will be added in 3 stages, I'm adding just 1 tablespoon of oil, some cinnamon and cloves, along with some ginger, garlic and black pepper paste. Adding some sliced onions, chopped green chillies and some salt. 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Sauté on a medium-high flame and let the onions caramelize. Add in your sliced tomatoes, sauté them, cover them and cook them till the tomatoes wilt. Marinate your mutton with some turmeric, coriander powder, salt and some red chilli powder. Add only 1 teaspoon of ghee to your pressure cooker. To this add in 2 bay leaves along with a black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, the marinated mutton pieces. Sauté this to sear the mutton. Now add in 1.5 cups of water. Mix it all well together, cover the pressure cooker and let it cook on a low flame for approximately 20 minutes. In the meantime, our tomatoes have wilted. Remove this from the Kadhai, cool them. In the same wok, add in about 1 teaspoon of oil and fry your bhindi until it changes color on both the sides, just to remove the gum out of the bhindi. Once your onion tomato mixture is cooled, grind this into a fine paste. Add in 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala to this gravy. Once the pressure of the cooker releases, add in your gravy. Mix it all well together. Add in your sautéed bhindi, a teaspoon of Malvani Masala or Kitchen King Masala. Mix this well together and cook this without a whistle for about 7 minutes. Your mutton is now ready to be served with either naan, pulka, roti or rice. I would rather not talk, just keep eating.